Hi, I'm Keerthy Suresh. I'm interviewing for the position of CFO at Cook. Pain.
Wrong.
Mangosteen.
Yes.
You have to make a perfectly round dosa
Maybe.
and a perfectly round chapati.
Hold on. Some sauces, please, guys. I need to make chapati noodles. And that's chapati noodles. From this to chapati. Chana dal.
No.
Oh, this is chana dal. This is
Oh yes, the results. Before we announce the results, we'd like you to tell us why should you be the CFO of Cooked?
ஐயோ என்னயா இல்லலா நான் மந்தல இருந்து பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன் கேள்வி மேல கேள்வி கேட்டுட்டு கையில காசு வாங்கிட்டு இப்ப வேலை கொடுக்க முடியாதுன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் I will go to the High Court. If I don't get justice there, I will go to the Supreme Court.
Madam, please, all this was just for a laugh. You are the Cooked CEO, CFO. Congratulations.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Hi guys. We at Cooked are building the largest recipe platform for all the home cooks and beginners around the world. I'm not saying this just because I'm one of the investors in the company, but trust me, cooking at home is going to be more efficient, easy and fun. Look forward to a lot more exciting things